Hi guys, here are some fun and cute games to play at home when you are bored or in quarantine. The first game is called Penguin Isle. It's very simple, fun to play, and graphics are cute. The penguins in this game are so damn cute. I love this game. It is fun to watch tiny little penguins doing their penguin things. The background music is also so relaxing in this game. Cute and adorable penguins are waiting for you. The next game is called Adorable Home. In this game, you and your partner will move into a new home with your cute cat named Snow. Your goal is to decorate and improve your home through the love you earn from your partner and your cat. A unique casual game where love is the currency and centers around decorating your home and collecting cats. Super Stylist is a fun game where you are a fashion stylist and your mission is to dress your clients in the best outfits ever. Playing Super Stylist is simple and fun. Your clients ask for a certain look and you buy them the outfit that looks best. If you create the perfect look, they will leave you happy and you will get paid more. The next game is called Animal Restaurant. This is a fun game where you create a restaurant for animals from scratch. I love this game so much. It's super cute and really makes you pay attention to how you manage your money. Very cute design and simple concept. And the animals are super cute to watch. The next app is called Webtoon. If you love to read comics, then this app is a must for you. You can read all varieties of stories here to keep yourself occupied at home. Brainout is a free tricky puzzle game. The game contains series of tricky brain teasers and different riddles testing your mind. It evaluates your logical thinking ability, reflexes, accuracy, memory and creativity. Have fun playing this one. Next app is called Grasshopper. It's an app where you can learn free coding. Focused primarily on JavaScript, you learn coding by playing a series of mini games. The game has a very friendly and easy to use interface with exercises. This app is really helpful for beginners to learn more about coding. So, by playing this game, you can brush up your coding skills. How cool is that? The next app is called Duolingo. The app allows you to learn a lot of different languages such as Spanish, German, French, Italian, or Portuguese. Currently, I am learning German in this app. It has an eye catching visual style and it is totally free. It's designed to help you learn languages easily and comfortably so that doing so does not feel like you are studying but rather just having fun with one more game. The next app is a cooking game where you have to prepare the pizzas your customer order. The only way to be successful and keep your business running is to make them fast and correctly. The graphics are also really nice and include some charming cartoons. The game is both simple and fun to play. Self care is a free, simple, and beautiful game for joy and self connection. In the game, you are literally chilling in bed in your room all day. The goal is simple to feel better. For 3 to 5 minutes, you can escape to a calm and soothing room and return to your life refreshed and ready to face all your stress. This app helps in expanding your self care practice. You can play with your pet, do a simple tarot card reading, or water a plant. It's your safe, comfortable space where you give yourself permission to feel better.